Sanibonani, dumelanga, absheni bafethu. Back again, back with another video. And yazi bafethu, igama usabele umfana kamdluli. Please, ningakhohlwa, subscribe to your boy, like the video, comment down below. All the shenanigans, niyazi bafethu. So, let's talk about it. Bafana, South Africa, 2. Angola 1. Okay, they scored, but Bafana win 3 points in the bag. First game of the tournament. We are high and flying, Bafethu. I'm not talking about this high. I'm talking about we are number 1. Okay, joint number 1. But you know what I'm saying, Bafethu. Bafana. We've opened the AFCON with a win. Goals from Apolis and goals from Lyle Foster. Let's talk about Lyle Foster, the goal scorer. Frustrating game. Halftime, I was saying, akaphume lo muntu lo. Abamupe 10 minutes nje second half. If it doesn't improve, bring on evidence. Bring on Inkomo AOS. But guess what? He proved us wrong. He proved me wrong. He scored the winning goal. What a goal, son. What a goal. But in England, take a bow. What a goal from Foster. Man of the match performance. But for me, never failed to. My man of the match was men like TLP Mbogazi. Did you see that rocket? 2 million to Mbogazi. 20 years old. But till now, that post is still shaking. It's still shaking like an earthquake. Mbogazi for me now was my man of the match. Honestly speaking, we might have conceded, but he was the man of the match for me. I understand why they gave Lyle Foster the man of the match, because he scored a beauty of a goal, which took us to number 1, or joint number 1, you should say. It will be Egypt doing it. But 2-1 win. It was important to win the first game of it. Angola being echo, I'm sorry. First 30 minutes, we were popping the ball. We were frustrating them. They couldn't see next. They were chasing shadows. They were chasing ghosts. Bengati or ghost, the Orlando Pirates. They were chasing them. And guess who scored the first goal? The man who plays for the Ghost. Also in Apolis. Man is on form. Best player so far for me in South Africa. The boy is on form. He cannot stop scoring, especially under Hugo Broos. He is not missing the net. Apolis, give him a chance. Uzokora. But then, after that goal, we set back. I don't know why we set back. Then they started dominating, especially the middle of the park. Essence Bafethu. Khona umtshita bambiza uFreddy da. Ay, German. Freddy. Kade kushota uJason ukuthi basicede labantu laba to murder us. Kade shota ngoJason. Kade shota ngoFreddy uJason. Freddy kade shota ngoJason bafethu. He couldn't do it all by himself. Bagcine bamkhipha. Nabamkhipha uFreddy. Then we scored that goal. Hayi bafethu. Number 16 from Angola. Freddy. German. I'm banned. That guy is good, Bafethu. 35 years old. Sbatala's champions. 35 years old. He played like Zinedine Zidane, prime Zinedine Zidane. The way he was stringing the balls, the way he was controlling the midfield. Umkwena, Stole, Mbule. They couldn't be seen anywhere. There's only one person I saw in the middle of the park. It was Freddy. But then second half of it, the boys came out with different energy. It's like we transformed. We got much stronger. And Hugo Broos, credit to you, my guy. Credit to you. That sub you made of Umuremi. Perfect. He came on for Nkota. I never expected Nkota to not come in for his second half. But Muremi on that left-hand side, I told you guys, play him on the left. He is dangerous. Not on the right, in or left wag. He's one-footed. Play him on the left. He is the most dangerous player you will find if you play him on that side. The goal was brilliant. The goal he scored, oh my god. It was a brilliant goal, but it was offside. Courtesy of the man who scored the winning goal, Lyle Foster. Lyle Foster got us frustrated our feet. He was frustrating the F out of me. But then, 79 minutes, 1-2 touches, between Umurimi no Foster. Then Foster, what a killer boy. When I said Shaya, tudu tum tum, Shaya, tudu tum tum, Shaya, he scored the winning goal. We are going to the next game 3 points in. We are not going into the next game with doubts in our heads. We are going into the next game believing Guti we can beat Egypt. I watched the Egypt is all against Zimbabwe bafethu. Noma singathola draw, it's not going to be a bad result, but Egypt are vulnerable. Mo Salah akasekho bafethu. Mo Salah cannot take on his men anymore. Mo Salah is no more, even though he scored, but Mo Salah is no more. This is African football. Mshining ezembe, keep a game in. I don't know who bazofaka bani ka left. Bazofaka uMaphosa or bazofaka uSamkelo. We'll see. But 3 points, 2-1 win. We've finished Angola. They are out of the way. Let's go focus on alaba base Igibite, abase Cairo, Abu Mohammed, Abu Trezeguet, Abu Mamouche. Let's finish them off. Finish them off. Buffett, don't forget, subscribe, like the video, follow your boy. And I want to say in an announcement, Guti, I wanted to do a live stream yesterday, a watch along, but I couldn't. Complications. I'm still getting used to this thing, Buffett, but don't sweat. A watch along is coming along. A watch along is coming along. And let's talk about our rivals with, or should I say our haters. There's a guy in Morocco who keep a video. Why? There's a guy from Mexico who keep a video. Why? Are we the number one enemy? Bafana, are we that good that some people fear us from afar? Mexicans fear us, Bafito. I don't know why, but keep my video consistent. They fear us. They saw what we are capable of. They saw it. Now you will see it, Bafito. If we win this AFCON, oh my God, things are gonna go down. You got to be down. Okay, I'll get copyright. Nyabonga for umamela, nyabonga for tuning in. Next time, another video. Egypt next Friday, 5 o'clock. We will be there, Bafit. I'm out.